Thomas is a cheeky engine. Percy is too. Together they love pulling pranks on the big engines. While Thomas was on the main line, he and Percy pulled quite a few pranks on the big engines. Gordon, come quickly! The Queen's special train is waiting at the docks. Obviously I'm the one to follow it. The Fat Director told us someone has to volunteer for it. Alright Gordon, me and Percy are far too weak to pull such a special train. Bang right, B. I'll pull the train, tell the Fat Director I volunteer. When Gordon arrived at the docks, he found no coaches. Where's the Queen? Right here, said Thomas. That's a goods train, scoffed Gordon. Ugh, with the Queen Mary brake van. What? Oh, I'm going back to the shed. Oh, no, you don't. You volunteered. We have to take this. Gordon was not the only engine bested by the two little troublemakers. Henry was settling down in the sheds on the pier. He decided to take a little snooze when he heard a terrible noise. Oh, no. Oh, I'm back here. Hello? You locked the brakes? It wasn't until right before his next train that a workman decided to let Henry out. By the time he got to the platform, Thomas and Percy had gone at James too. Whoa, what's got to be in your bonnet? You really want to know? Finally some peace and quiet around here. What the? Percy! Percy, get back here! Remember who's in charge on this railway now, James. After James pushed the wagons back into the sidings, he went snarling into the harbor. Thomas and Percy had wisely disappeared. Come on, James, it's time to go get our next train. Great! A good rest ruined by those goblins. I can't wait for Thomas to get back to his little line. Here for almost 4 days and he ruins everything. That Percy too, much more trouble than he's worth. Their prayers would be answered. It was 6 days after Thomas arrived when he backed down into the third platform. Thomas, your commuter train leaves from platform 2. Not anymore, Percy. I'm going home. Yes! No. Now we have you all to ourselves, little Percy.